Russell here with another handmade knife review. This is a Rocking Santoku in CPM MagnaCut, and I did a creative acid wash that has a faux hamon on it on both sides. Just love the look of that. Nice and elegant, kind of classy looking. The handle is dyed and stabilized giraffe bone with a double dyed piece of box elder. The little dimensions for you on this one: the blade length is 7.5 inches tip to heel. The depth is exactly 2 inches with a handle length of 4 3/4 inches for an overall length of 12 inches. On the handle you will see a little cutout here. I carved it so your pinky and or your ring finger have a little bit more room to index into the knife. Like usual, I do a nice chamfer here so it's nice and comfortable for pinch grip, and you can see the couple G10 liners I did there on the bone. So what would you use a Rocking Santoku for? Largely this is your 3-in-1 knife. Basically bulk breakdown for everything. This is pretty close to being a laser. It is a little bit thicker in the spine is the only reason why I wouldn't say like for knives that you want like a super laser for, you might want something just a little bit thinner. It is full tang, so there's more weight in the handle. The balance point is right at the heel as most people like it. And so if you have any questions, feel free to look us up at serenityknives.com.